Hi everyone, welcome to sq.cm.shsirclasses classes. Today in this video we have to draw a square of area 3.7 square centimeter by using compass. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a line of any length. So first drawing here a line and taking here point P and here X. Next taking the length 3.7 centimeter on the line PX. So this is 3.7 centimeter. So taking here point A. Next taking 1 centimeter line from the point A. So this is 1 centimeter and taking here point Q. So first we have to bisect the line PQ. So putting the compass on the point Q and taking greater than half of PQ and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a 2 point. Now first joining this line and which made the line PX at a point, taking here point O. Now taking the length OP and OQ to draw here a semicircle through the point P and Q. Now we have to draw a 90-degree angle on the point A. So putting the compass on the point A and taking any length and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and putting the compass here, cut here and drawing an arc here again with same length and putting the compass here, cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now first joining this line and which made the semicircle at a point. So the taking here point D. Now joining O and D first. Now from right angle triangle OAD, and OD is the hypotenuse and OA equal to base and AD equal to height, and the value of AD equal to root 3.7 centimeter. If you don't know how to find out the value of AD, then please watch my video which is given in the channel. Okay, now taking the length AD equal to root 3.7 centimeter by using compass by this way and cut here and with same length putting the compass here, cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now first joining this line, then joining this line. So taking here point B and here C. So the length of the line DC equal to root 3.7 centimeter. This is also root 3.7 centimeter. This is also root 3.7 centimeter, and this line also root 3.7 centimeter. So therefore ABCD. So ABCD is a square of each side root 3.7 centimeter. So and the area of the square equal to root 3.7 into root 3.7 equal to 3.7 square centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.